What's up, everybody? Welcome to my channel. It's your boy Gil coming at you guys with another unboxing. Today we're going to be looking at a Nike Tech Fleece Parka that I purchased off of Poshmark for $45. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. It helps the channel out so much. Let's get into it. So I actually already have a video up on the Nike Tech Fleece Parka. I actually just found this one. It's in a burgundy colorway and it was $45, which I thought was a super steal. This is a piece that you don't really see go up that often, and if you do, it's like super expensive. I really don't know how I'm gonna cut this open, but we're gonna figure it out. Looking rough. I think I need to get an unboxing now, because I unboxed so many things, but I just don't have one. All right. So like I said, I got this off of Poshmark, $45. We'll see if it was a steal or not, depending on the condition. And there we go. Set this to the side. And this too, and so far it's looking pretty clean. I believe this piece retailed like $225. I forget exactly. I'll link the other video I have. This is kind of long, so I'm not gonna be able to show you it all the way. There will be a try on at the end. This looks like it's in super good condition. I purchased this piece in a XXL, which is the same as my black one. It's a little big, but it still works. It's just a little, I'd rather an XL, to be honest with you guys. This is the only piece in my Tech Fleece that I would get true to size, just because it's a Parka and it's already super long. Mainly my issue is because I'm like 6'3", that a lot of the Tech Fleece will like shrink on my arms, so it'll be like around here. That's why I go up a size. Perfect size for me would be XLT, but you're not really finding that. I think I only have one piece in XLT, and that was super hard to get. But let's look into the Parka. Like I said, I already have a video up, I'll link in the description. I'll show you guys kind of the base of what the Parka has. It has the 2 pockets right here, they're zipped, and they have 2 pockets individually in here, and 1 big. So it's really like 3 pockets with these. And it should be the same on both, but let me check. Actually, it's not. This side only has 1, and then it has just a big pocket. You guys see that it has like the lining that covers for the zipper. It also has the 2-way zipper like all Tech Fleece. You guys look on the inside, nothing really crazy. It's pretty much just a standard Nike Tech Fleece that's a Parka. It has a nice little coat and you can set it up if you like to do that. I like the cuts at the end of this Parka as well. And make sure you guys stay at the end. I will be trying, so I'll show you guys how this fits. And I'll also link the product number so you guys can find it. This is in like a burgundy colorway, so burgundy like a maroon. It's kind of hard to tell. But also it has like the premium, I believe, right here for the neck and sleeve, which looks super nice. On the back, let's see what they have. Hardly ever wear my black one, but it's a cool piece to have because it's pretty unique. You don't really see them in rock these. I don't even think there's many videos up on YouTube. And also on the sleeves, I forgot to mention, it has like a cut of a different material, which is really nice. It's on both sides. It also has an adjustable hood. The one thing I did complain about in another video is the hood shape. I think it's super weird. I don't really like rocking with hood, but I definitely like everything else about the jacket. And overall, I'm pretty excited about this purchase. I know there's little marks here and there, but it's in really good condition. Like I said, for $45, you kind of can't go wrong. This retailed at like $220, which is really expensive. I believe they're releasing around 2016 or 2017. If you guys want to see more details on the jacket, make sure you guys check out the video below. I hope you guys really enjoy this content. I try to bring you guys something dope. It's kind of hard keeping up with like the unboxings, and then I'm trying to review stuff still in my closet. So there's a ton of content on the way. I hope you guys really enjoyed. Like I said, stay at the end for the try on. I'm out.